In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group records in Airtable. Whether you're organizing a project or simply need your data structured in a meaningful way, grouping records efficiently can provide valuable insights and streamline your workflow. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can make the most out of your data. First, you'll want to open Airtable and navigate to the table or view where your data is stored. This step is essential as it sets the stage for the grouping process. Think of this as identifying the workspace where the magic will happen. Whether it's a project you're managing, an inventory you're keeping an eye on, or a simple list of tasks, locating the correct table allows you to work directly with the data you need. Once you're in the right place, let's focus on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find various options that allow you to manipulate and interact with your data. Look for the Group button and go ahead and click on it. This feature is designed to help you compartmentalize your data based on different criteria. Clicking on the Group option is the gateway to organizing your records in a way that makes the most sense for your specific needs. Now it's time to choose a field to group your data by. This selection is crucial because it determines how your records will be organized and displayed. You have several options at your disposal. For instance, if you're working on a project, you might want to group by status to see which tasks are in progress, completed, or pending. Alternatively, grouping by priority could help you focus on what's most urgent. If your data revolves around people, the assignee field is a great way to organize tasks or responsibilities by individual. Want to categorize by type? Choose category to segment your data accordingly. And if your focus is chronological, grouping by date can help you visualize a timeline and track progress over time. Remember, the field you choose should align with the insight or organization you aim to achieve. It's important to take a moment to consider what you want to see from your data. The goal is to have a clear picture that's easy to interpret and helps you or your team make informed decisions. That's essentially all there is to it. Grouping records in Airtable is as simple as opening your table, clicking a button, and choosing your desired field for grouping. This functionality not only organizes your data neatly, but also enhances your ability to analyze and act on the information in front of you. Thank you for joining me in today's session. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident navigating and utilizing Airtable's powerful grouping feature. Be sure to experiment with different fields until you find the grouping that best serves your needs, and happy organizing.